Hello! To cast screen to TV on the Realme 14 Pro Plus, you can for sure do this, and as we go into the settings, first of all you have to go into the settings. From here, go into the connection and sharing, and right here we have the screencast. And as you press this right here, you will first allow a couple of the permissions, and from there you will be forwarded to this screen. And to actually connect to the TV, you have to press this button, search for display devices. And as we press this one, we have to also turn on the quick connect function. So let's turn this one on. And now this device is searching for the displays, for display devices. And as you can see, to turn on, you have to turn on the screencast feature on the TV or on the projector, and you have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your phone. You have to be connected to the same network as your TV and your phone, and the scan. Right here you will be able to find your TV, and simply press the select your device right here, and that should be all. From here you will have to simply follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection, and that will be all about this. Thank you for watching.